Welcome back, everyone. It's game time, and I am once again in Chronicles heaven. This stuff has been good to me in 2017. It's been good to me in 2018, and here I am opening another box. I have pulled every kind of crazy good stuff out of this. I don't know if that sentence made any sense, but I'm going to go with it, and I can't wait to get into this box. I'm not going to go about talking about all the how many packs and all that. You probably know by now. This stuff's been out for a little while. I missed it while I was on vacation. I'm happy to be back. Matter of fact, I placed an order while I was on vacation, so it would arrive shortly after we returned home. And I can't wait to get into it. I have pulled cracked ice autos and just all sorts of good stuff out of here. It is my friend, my BFF. Alright, we're starting off with a Bryce Harper score card, and then following it up with a Bryce Harper Cornerstones Parallel, a gorgeous card, numbered to 99, thick stock. Sweet little piece of cardboard there. A Cole Hamels Classics. A Ahmed Rosario Prism, Contenders Prism. It's a pretty card right there. A Cody Bellinger Select. I think I have one of these. Oh, boo. I got points. Wah, 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 wah. It's only the second time I've gotten points out of mini boxes, so I'm not going to cry about it too much. Here's a Studio Reese Hoskins and a Mike Trout Illusions. Alright, pack number 2. We're starting off with a Rizzo base and then a Yadier Molina Parallel to 299. Nice hollow foil. Here is a Devers Limited rookie. I don't think I've pulled one of those yet. A Dominic Smith Crusade. A Caleb Smith Optic. I don't know if this is peach or orange. It's numbered to 99. And Eric Fetty to 99 as well. And it is a good looking Cornerstones quad jersey on card autograph. Sweet looking card. That's kind of why I really hate getting points out of Chronicles, because some of the hits look so dang good. Adamas rookie and Zach Granite rookie. Yeah, that's my main beef with points out of Chronicles. It's because you really want to see the hits. That's for sure. Alright, we're going to start off with an Ohtani score rookie here. And a Rosario Rookies and Stars rookie parallel to 199. Bryce Harper Rookies and Stars. Here is a cracked ice Crusade Arenado. And that is a pretty card to 149. It looks good on that purple. Sweet. Andujar Select rookie. Dustin Pedroia Spectra. Thick prism top. Yeah, prism. And then we have Kingery rookie and Andujar Illusions. And moving on, we have Scherzer score, another Kingery Donruss rated rookie, and Chris Bryant Rookies and Stars. Here is a Reese Hoskins Prism rookie. Good looking card there. A Phoenix Blue Clint Frazier, also known as Clint Frazier. And this is numbered to 299. I like the blue. I like Phoenix in general. I can't wait for Phoenix football to come out. Here is a Verdugo Pink Spectra Prism to 75. Good looking card there. And then we have Ahmed Rosario rookie and Gleyber Torres studio rookie. Alright, JP Crawford Chronicles, a Nicky Delmonico Chronicles, Anthony Rizzo Prestige, Victor Robles Prism, Clint Frazier regular rookie Phoenix, David Boat, I don't know who is, or Bote, a rookie for the Cubs. Not really familiar with this guy. Have to check him out. Anyways, sticker auto, not numbered. Machado Studio and a Delmonico Studio Blue to 99. Oh man, it's got a ding on the corner. That's one little complaint I have about these cards is there's some control problems. They haven't, I'm gonna have to return, I've already returned one card, and then another box I open I'm gonna have to return one, and I'm gonna have to return this. I mean, this is a decent card. I don't want it with this ding on it. It's crappy. Hey, well, maybe I can return two of them together and save a little bit on the shipping anyway. Alright, Sano, Clint Frazier parallel to 99. McMahon Prestige rookie, an Ozzy Albies Contenders Optic rookie, nice card there. Juan Soto Optic is way off center though, left to right, that's a shame. Then we have a Willie Calhoun Triple Threat Spectra Neon Blue Materials to 99. And then we finish it off with Jimmy Sherfy and Mickey Mantle. Haven't pulled many Mantles out of this stuff, so this is definitely not one of the better boxes. Matter of fact, I may rank this last. My hits weren't all that great, and then, I mean, this looks good, don't get me wrong, but then to get points too. So, and truthfully, my base cards out of this were not as good as I've been getting. But again, I'm not gonna complain. The price on this stuff is not too crazy, and you get a lot of value. So I'm not gonna, you know, wee about it too much. You know, some boxes are great, some boxes aren't. But you guys know me. I'll probably pick up some more. So you can probably expect to see some more Chronicles in the near future. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Please take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll be back with my next breaking video very soon.